Tired of stubborn lashes that refuse to stay curled? The right lash curler can be a game changer, giving you perfectly lifted lashes in seconds without damaging them. In this video, we'll take you through the top 5 best lash curlers that deliver salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. These lash curlers cater to different eye shapes, lash types, and preferences. Stay tuned to find the one that suits you best. Kicking off our list at number 1, Uemura Eyelash Curler. The Uemura Eyelash Curler is an iconic beauty tool, revered by professionals and makeup enthusiasts alike. Known for its precision and ability to create a natural curl, this curler has become a go-to product for achieving a polished lash look. Key features: the design includes a uniquely curved frame, making it suitable for a wide range of eye shapes. The silicone pad is gentle yet firm, providing a balanced grip without crimping or pinching. Its sturdy construction ensures durability while offering smooth performance. Benefits and usage: this lash curler delivers a long-lasting, natural curl in just a few presses. The ergonomic handle offers excellent control, ensuring even beginners can achieve flawless results. Use it before applying mascara for best results, gently pressing from the lash base to the tips. Usability: lightweight and easy to handle, the Uemura Eyelash Curler is perfect for daily use. Its universal fit works well for most eye shapes, making it a versatile addition to any beauty routine. Durability: crafted with premium materials, this curler is built to last for years with proper care. The replaceable silicone pads add to its longevity, making it a reliable investment for beautiful lashes. In the second spot, we have Tweezerman Classic Lash Curler. The Tweezerman Classic Lash Curler is a trusted option for those seeking consistent results. Combining quality craftsmanship with a user-friendly design, this tool delivers a flattering curl for all lash types. Key features: the curler features a wide opening to accommodate different eye shapes comfortably. Its silicone pads are hypoallergenic and non-stick, ensuring a smooth curling experience. The sturdy frame and ergonomic handles make it easy to achieve precision. Benefits and usage: Tweezerman's curler provides a beautiful, eye-opening curl in seconds. Its padded grip ensures comfort during use, while the non-slip silicone pad protects your lashes from breakage. Position it at the lash line, gently press, and release for an instant lift. Usability: ideal for both beginners and experts, this curler is easy to maneuver and fits seamlessly into any beauty routine. Its compact design makes it travel-friendly, ensuring you can maintain gorgeous lashes on the go. Durability: made with durable stainless steel, the Tweezerman Classic Lash Curler is built to withstand daily use. The included replacement pads extend its lifespan, ensuring long-term performance and value. Coming in at number 3 is the Kevyn Aucoin the Eyelash Curler. The Kevyn Aucoin the Eyelash Curler is a high-performance tool designed to deliver dramatic curls effortlessly. Favored by professionals, this curler provides a perfect blend of functionality and luxury. Key features: with its sleek stainless steel construction and innovative design, this curler offers a wide curve to fit various eye shapes. The red silicone pad ensures visibility and precision, allowing you to see exactly where you're curling. Benefits and usage: this curler lifts lashes to new heights, creating a striking, wide-eyed look. Its precision and smooth mechanism make it easy to use, even for those with shorter lashes. Apply gentle pressure for a few seconds to achieve stunning, long-lasting curls. Usability: lightweight and ergonomically designed, the Kevyn Aucoin curler is user-friendly and perfect for daily or professional use. Its thoughtful design caters to all lash types, ensuring consistent results every time. Durability: constructed with high-quality stainless steel, this curler is built for longevity. The red silicone pads are replaceable, ensuring that your tool stays effective and hygienic over time. Taking our 4th spot is Shiseido Eyelash Curler. The Shiseido Eyelash Curler is a Japanese beauty staple celebrated for its precision and gentle approach. Designed with Asian eye shapes in mind, it offers exceptional results for all lash types. Key features: featuring a unique curved frame, this curler hugs the lash line without pinching. The soft silicone pad applies even pressure, ensuring a smooth curl every time. Its sleek and lightweight design adds to its appeal. Benefits and usage. Shiseido's curler provides a natural yet noticeable curl that lasts throughout the day. Its gentle mechanism is ideal for those with delicate lashes or sensitive eyes. Position it at the base of your lashes, press lightly, and hold for a few seconds to achieve a lifted look. Usability. This curler is particularly suited for those with smaller or flatter eye shapes, but works well for a variety of users. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic grip make it easy to use, even for extended periods. Durability. Made with durable stainless steel, the Shiseido eyelash curler is designed for everyday use. The included replacement pads ensure consistent performance, making it a reliable addition to your beauty arsenal. And finally, at number 5, we have Revlon Extra Curl Lash Curler. The Revlon Extra Curl Lash Curler is an affordable yet effective tool for achieving beautifully curled lashes. Perfect for budget-conscious beauty enthusiasts, this curler delivers impressive results without compromising quality. Key features. Designed with a contoured frame, this curler fits comfortably around the eyes. The cushioned pad protects lashes while providing a firm hold for a dramatic curl. Its lightweight and compact design make it a versatile choice. Benefits and usage. The Revlon curler creates a striking curl that enhances your natural lashes. Its padded handles provide a secure grip, ensuring smooth and controlled application. Use it before applying mascara to lock in the curl for a long-lasting effect. Usability. Easy to use and suitable for all experience levels, this curler is a practical choice for everyday use. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups, keeping your lashes looking their best. Durability. While it may not boast the premium materials of higher-end curlers, the Revlon Extra Curl Lash Curler is surprisingly durable for its price point. The replaceable pads ensure continued effectiveness, offering great value for money. And there you have it, the top 5 best lash curlers to elevate your beauty routine effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools cater to all needs, from natural curls to dramatic lifts. Say goodbye to flat lashes and hello to beautifully curled ones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Let us know in the comments which lash curler you're excited to try. Stay beautiful and keep those lashes lifted.